Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting topic for all international students out there. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of applying for an SEVP certified school, which will enable you to study in the United States of America. If you are ready to pursue your dreams of studying abroad, let's get started.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thembo Talk, please consider subscribing. Thank you.
Before we dive into the application process, let's briefly discuss what SEVP and SEVP certified schools are. SEVP stands for Student and Exchange Visitors Program, a program run by the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency, ICE. SEVP certified schools are educational institutes that have met a specific requirements to host and enroll international students with F&M visas. The first step is to research SEVP certified schools that offer the program you are interested in. You can use SEVP search tools on the official website. The website will be linked in the description below to find a list of certified schools, considering the factors such as location, academic reputation, available programs, and campus facilities when making your decision. The use of the SEVP school search tool. Start by visiting the official website of the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement that hosts the SEVP program. Use their SEVP program search tools, which allows you to find a list of SEVP certified schools based on a specific search, such as criteria such as state, city, programs of study, and level of education. So now let me switch you directly to my laptop so that you can have a full view of how it's done. Consider your preferences. Take some time to think about your preferences in terms of location, climate, campus size, and available programs of study. This will help you narrow your options and focus on schools that are aligned with your needs. The second will be academic reputation. Look for schools with strong academic reputation in your choice field of study. Research about the faculty, research opportunity, and any award or recognition the institution has received. Accreditation. Verify that the school you are interested in are accredited by organized accrediting bodies. Accreditation ensures that the school meets certain educational standards and qualities. Program offered. Check if the school offered a specific program or majors you wish to pursue. Explore the course curriculum and opportunity for specialization or research. Campus facilities and resources. Look into the campus facilities such as libraries, laboratories, sports facilities, and student support service. A well-equipped campus can enhance your overall learning experience. Tuition and financial aid. Research the tuition fee and any available financial aid or scholarship for international students. Make sure the course fits within your budget. Student life and culture. Explore the cultural diversity and community on campus. Look for student clubs, organizations, and events that interest you, as they can enrich your college experience. Graduation and employment rate. Check the graduation and employment rate of the school's international student. This information can give you an idea of the institution's support for international students' success. Read reviews and student testimonials. Look for reviews and testimonials from current and former international students of the school you are considering. This can provide valuable insight into the student experience. Connect with current students. Reach out to current students of the schools through social media or networking platforms. They can offer first-hand experiences and answer specific questions. Remember that researching SEVP certified school is a crucial part of finding the right fit for your academic and personal goals. Take your time, be through with your research, and make an informed decision that will shape your future education and career path. Good luck. Once you have found the school you wish to apply to, carefully review their admission requirements. They may vary from school to school, but the common requirements include academic transcript, English language, proficiency tests like OTFEL, IELTS, and all of that. Letter of recommendation, and a statement of purpose. Make sure you meet all the requirements before proceeding. Now let's talk about the necessary application material. Prepare all required documents such as academic records, standardized test scores, proof of English proficiency, and your passport. Additionally, you will need to submit financial documents to show you can afford for the tuition and living expenses while studying in the United States. In this case, you might submit your sponsorship bank statement or a sponsorship letter. Even though they have offered you a scholarship, you need some bank statement to show to the school that you have all the funds available for your living expenses and your academic tuition. Most SEVP certified schools offer an application process online, which simplifies the application procedure. Visit the school's official website and create an account to access the application portal. Follow the instructions carefully and upload all the application materials in the specified form. So sometimes when you're uploading your results, your transcripts, your test scores and all of that, some schools require you for all the documents to be in PDF form or the document format. Keep it in mind that most schools charge application fees. Ensure that you pay these fees and keep the record for your payment for future use. Remember, the application won't be considered complete until the fees are paid. After submitting your application, you may be provided with a login to track your application status. This is a handy tool to check any additional documents are required or to see if decisions have been made on your application. Congratulations if your application is successful. You will receive a letter from the school. This letter will outline important details like your program to study, tuition costs, and any scholarship or financial aid awarded. Once you have your acceptance letter, you will need to contact the school DSO, that's the designated school official, or international student advisor. They will guide you in the process of obtaining the I-20 form. This is a crucial document required for your student visa application. So if you are going to apply for an F1 visa, you will surely need an I-20 form. So you talk to the school to help you. They will ask for some document or some of your documents aren't on the portal. They ask you to email it to them, such as your bank statement. When you were applying for the school, the bank statement you uploaded might be 3 months ago or 4 months ago because the process takes some time. So they'll ask for an updated bank statement. So once you email it to them, they'll tell you when your I-20 will be ready. With your I-20 form in hand, you can now apply for F1 or M1 student visa at the US Embassy or consulate in your home country. Follow the instructions provided by the embassy and remember to schedule your visa appointments in advance. Once your student visa is approved, it's time to prepare your journey to the United States. Book your flights, arrange accommodation, ensure you have all the necessary documents for your arrival, such as the I-20, your passport, and your financial statement. That's like a bank statement. Some states normally ask it, so you carry it along. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to apply for SEVP certified school. Remember, this process requires careful planning and preparation. So start early and stay organized. Studying in the United States can be a life-changing experience, and I wish you best of luck on your academic journey. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more of this content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact me in the comment section below or my Instagram as displayed here, _. I will be very happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.